Alright guys, we got a special one today. We got Vang's Supra. Alright dude, say what's up.
What's up?
Alright, so he's gonna explain what we got done from the car. So we're gonna start from the front and work our way back. So let's talk about the front end. What kind of lip is that?
That was a Aerial Lux front end.
Okay,
front
nice.
lip,
Okay,
carbon
okay.
fiber.
And how much do those go for? Thinking of people that want to get one.
It's about, you can get ones about like 750 to 950.
Okay, okay.
That range.
All right, and how is it driving around? You can still get around pretty good because it looks kind of low, yeah?
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's still scrape. I got like scraper under the actual lip.
Okay.
Just to protect my carbon fiber. So when I scrape, instead of scraping the lip, it scrape those scrapers.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's smart. I need to do that. And I see you got a tow hook. What kind of tow hook is that?
That was Invasive Motorsport.
Oh, EVS? Woo!
Yeah,
EVS tuning. Fucking. Yeah, I can see the little thing on it. It looks cool.
EVS on it, the little logos.
That's nice. All right, so we're gonna work our way to the side now. So these aren't stock fenders, are they?
No, those are Group A Motorsport. Supposed to be all carbon fiber, but then they painted. I bought from LA, so I'm gonna pick it up. He painted white already, so he left that carbon fiber side on it
Okay.
still.
Yeah, that's cool.
So, I mean, I like it. I don't want everything full carbon fiber.
Yeah.
So I just want something like that. So
Little
I'm gonna
more
pick it up.
subtle and
more
racy,
subtle
huh?
Instead of all full black.
And how is the install on it?
Pretty easy. To me, it's easy. But then there's like a little bolt right there that's kind of hard to get at the end of it. So you have to like use a 10 millimeter just to ratchet out. But other than that, it's easy.
Nice.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I see you got some side skirts down here. What are those?
Those are replicas, fake carbon fiber. I got those because
Well, I wouldn't
it's cheap.
I wouldn't know.
You
Shit.
won't know.
They look pretty good.
If you look at it closely, you can tell it's like a dip.
Like wrap, huh?
Yeah, it's like a dip. It's dip.
Okay,
Dip.
and the same thing with the
Same thing
side.
with the back one.
Okay, I never would have guessed. These are pretty clean. And how much are those? It's like probably something pretty.
Like 150.
Oh, that's not bad compared to the real carbon, huh?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
And let's check out this ducktail. What kind of ducktail is this?
Those are eBay ducktail. but
Really?
That's real carbon fiber. That one's real carbon fiber.
Damn, that shit fits hella good for
It's like,
eBay.
it came from China, so I mean,
Really?
Yeah, China made most of the parts. those
COVID-19, huh?
Yeah.
Had to wipe it down before.
Yeah.
All right, and the car looks lowered. You said you got lowering springs too?
Yeah, I got H&R spraying on it.
Okay, H&R.
Yeah,
And how's the quality? What would you
pretty
say?
decent. It gets different than stock.
Okay.
For my opinion, it should come like more stiffer like that because it's more of like an M.
Yeah.
I got M car, so yeah, I like the stiffness on the wheels.
Okay.
You know, when you drive it.
Nice. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get Vang to pop the hood, and we'll talk about what he's got under there, and give you guys his take on it. What's the color on this? Is it pearl?
Absolute white.
Yeah.
Yeah, pearl white. It's like 3-stage white.
Yeah, this thing is fucking crazy.
It's hard though when you try to touch on it. It's hard.
Yeah.
A bunch of color.
Okay. And what kind of motor's in here?
It's a B58
Okay.
TU Gen 2. So it's basing off of the M240.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not the Gen 1's of Gen 2.
Okay.
We should have a better high pressure fuel pump.
And
Like E50s, no problem.
nice. And this is what a inline six, huh?
That's it.
Nice. And it's what is it? Twin scroll turbo?
Yeah, twin scroll, single turbo.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, bottom out.
All right. So we're gonna go over the mod list right now for you guys. Tell us what you got.
It's basically stock. I only have a 5-inch callus downpipe on it, and stock intake. But I took out the muffler from the stock, so it sounds a lot better. You can hear this turbo spool.
Okay,
But
okay.
I mean, it doesn't help much, but it just sounds better. So I got it.
So you got the muffler
box.
delete. You got
Muffler delete and callus downpipe with the BM3 OTS E50.
okay, nice. And how
Simple setup.
those guys thinking about going that route? Is it? Do you feel the difference or not really?
Put it in.
With the mods, like
Oh yeah, big difference for stock though.
okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Huge
yeah.
difference. 6130 from 14 second to 8 second low 8 second.
Damn,
So
that's pretty
basically
good.
cut it half.
Yeah,
Cut it
that's
half pretty
crazy.
much, yeah.
14 seconds, jeez. So that's hella detuned, huh?
Yeah, it's D2.
Okay,
Basically a lot.
nice. All right, guys. So we're gonna go for a little drive right now. We just broke down all the mods and pretty much everything she's got. So yeah, let's go take it for a drive. Yeah, it sounds nice. All right, first time in the Supra. Yeah, it's pretty small in here, huh?
It's like similar to a Z4. Same thing.
So what year is this one?
2020?
2020 Supra. This is the tunable one, huh?
Yeah, it's a tunable. I still log because I went to the dealership. So they update the ECU, so I had to re-bench unlock it.
Okay.
Yeah, it sucks. It's a bit extra.
Yeah, the turbos sound hella good. God damn, this shit has a lot of torque on it. What kind of tires do you have on here?
Stock tire, Michelin.
Oh, okay.
Sport.
And how are those holding up?
It doesn't.
Doesn't hold up?
After the tune, no.
Yeah.
It sucks.
Damn, that shit's fucking fast, dude.
That's slower than the S2000.
Who tuned this one?
It is an OTS map. It's
okay,
Group Mod
okay.
3, so it's not custom tuned.
A custom tune?
Yeah, it's just like normal tune.
Damn. That shit has some low end power.
Too much torque.
Huh? Yeah, that shit has hella
The tire
torque.
like
Yeah, you need
low
some,
end.
need some fucking sticky ass tires on there.
The drive radio.
What exhaust do you have on there?
It's a stock with the muffler delete.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, this shit sounds
with the
fucking...
callus downpipe on it, 5-inch.
Okay.
Callus downpipe.
Yeah, that sounds hella good. thought they had a fucking crazy exhaust on there.
Yeah, it's like that ship part, kind of dumb, but I mean, it sounds all right.
I like the interior, man.
Yeah, the interior's all
really
right.
nice
It's
in
like
here.
a BMW type thing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Really nice in here.
You're fine with BMW.
The seats feel hella good too.
I think that's quiet though. I mean, you don't step on it, it's just quiet.
Yeah, it has a nice exhaust note when you're just cruising around.